You see a link for an airdrop, or maybe a security update for your NFT marketplace. It looks urgent.
You click Connect. You expect a login signature. But you don't read the small print. This isn't a login. It's a trap known as Ice Phishing.
The transaction isn't send ETH. It says set approval for all.
This is the most dangerous function in crypto.
You aren't giving them money. You are giving them the legal right to take your money whenever they want.
Once signed, they have unlimited access to your NFTs and tokens. They can drain you today or in a year.
You wake up one day, and your wallet is empty. No password was stolen. Just a permission slip. The fix? Go to Revoke.cash. Scan for unlimited allowances. Cut the cord.
Your signature is powerful. Read the transaction data. Verify with TradingMaster.